Hello. Today I am chilling with my hair stuck in my door. What am I doing? Gotta turn my camera around. Ouchie. My hair is stuck out the window. Ow. Cold water just went all over me. So I don't know if you can see. Well, actually, you probably can see. It has been raining. It has been raining, and there was just a rainbow, and it went away so quickly. I didn't get enough time to quickly get a picture of it. Oh my god! And look, you can't see properly, but I met those dogs the other day. Their names were, I think, Teddy and Oreo. So yeah, but it is raining, and yeah, that's what the sunset looks like today. And yeah, trees, sunset, person. Yeah, so it is very, very cold, and that's why I'm staying in the car while my mum does boot camp. So I'm stuck in the car for an hour, probably just watching YouTube or something. I don't really make long vlogs. I think the longest I've ever made a vlog for was like 16 minutes. So yeah, and I just realized I can actually go follow my other account, subscribe to my other account, so I'm gonna go do that right now. That's the end of my vlog video, but yeah, okay, bye, peace.